To do this installation, you're going to need the following tools: a set of needle nose pliers, a 5mm hex, and a 13mm socket or wrench. The first thing we're going to do is take our needle nose pliers and remove this cotter pin. To do that, you're going to need to straighten it out first. And then turn it so that you can pull it out. Now keep your finger on here so that you don't lose the washer. Next, you have a rubber. The next thing we're going to do is remove the pin that's holding the foot peg. But before you do that, you need to know that inside of this is a spring and a ball bearing. And as soon as you start pulling it out, it's going to want to go flying. So you're going to need to capture it. So what we're going to do is pull, and when it gets far enough out, we're going to start pushing this silver plate against the foot peg. Now we're going to be installing the foot peg extender, and both of them are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. Put it in the same spot. Take the bolt that was included in the kit and slide it through the hole. Put your washer on, and then your lock nut. And then you're going to tighten it. To do that, you're going to need a 5mm hex and a 13mm wrench or socket. Now we're going to be putting the foot peg into the extender. And to do this, take your foot peg and hold it. Right here is the spring. You're going to hold it so it's facing up. You're going to put your ball bearing on it. And then you're going to put your plate down. And then you're going to squish them together. And then you'll push them into the hole. And we need to get the pin back through, and to do that you need to line up all the holes. So I usually use my needle nose pliers and get everything lined up. Then put your rubber back on, then the washer, and then the cotter pin. Once you get the cotter pin, turn it back around towards you so it's easier to see. Start bending these back down. The installation on the exhaust side is exactly the same as the other side. Straighten out your cotter pin. Then pull it out. Try to catch the washer so it doesn't go flying. Pull off the rubber grommet. You're going to push out this pin, and remember there is a spring with a ball bearing. We're going to try to not let go flying. Now we're going to put our foot peg extender into the spot. Put the bolt through. Then washer, lock nut, .5mm hex, 13mm wrench or socket. And then take your foot peg with the spring facing up. Put your ball bearing on top of it. Put the plate on top of that and squish it down. And then slide it into the extender. And then work your pin through it. Now we're going to put the rubber on. Washer. Once you get your cotter pin in, you're going to want to open them back up. Now the installation is complete.